What is up? It's Friday afternoon. I'm happy that you're here. I'm happy I'm here. It was an interesting day because I spent about 2 hours writing a prompt for ChatGPT. And that prompt was, oh, look at that owl. Hello, Al. Al Bundy. The prompt was meant to get me in a sort of reset mindset for all that I want to accomplish. The novel writing, the this thing writing, the that thing writing. And for some reason I decided to set out and write sort of backstory for Chat GPT. And I started going year by year from my breakthrough in Hollywood all the way to present. But about year 2010, I stopped and I was like, hey, let's pause this. This isn't really of value for me. And then I stepped back into it and I was like, no, let's just keep going and see what happens. I think my thinking was, I want to give this beautiful machine some context to help me not only frame out my moves for this weekend, what should I focus on, how do I plan my time for the week, but also I guess I was searching for some validation from a computer. You ever do that? I confess I have done it, and I did it in spades today. So I end up with this over 3,000 word prompt that goes from 2007 to present. I went year by year, what happened with my career, what happened with my writing, what I was focused on, what I was excited about, what I was succeeded at. And I plugged it in, and I'll tell you what, Chat did not disappoint. Chat gave me some wild gold. And one of the big things is it broke it down into the 3 tells, and one of them was that I operated best outside of traditional authority. And I know that I respect authority, and I think that's good for me, but the authority systems in Hollywood really screwed me over. Some of that was self-doing. Most of it was just random. The luck of the draw, the way everything bounced, and projects got shaken up this way and that, and I just was left without a paycheck for this, a completed project for that. So that was one of the takeaways. But one of the other takeaways was I asked it to take all of this and synthesize it into how my process might benefit in this golden year, the year that I write more, that I do more, that I land the craft. And it gave me some really cool daily habits. And one of them was, instead of, oh, hey, cat, what's up, guy? Hey, mister. Hi. Instead of having a page count or word count that I need to hit every day, oh, hi. Hey, what's your name? Grumpy Cat, part 2. Instead of that, it said, get a minimum floor. It was like 300 or 500 words a day, in addition to time spent every morning or evening working on the daily assignment. And then it broke down the assignment into, here's the deliverables you want to check off each day for your story. And back to that 300 to 500 words a day thing, it was narrative only, no working on outlines, no snooping through old notes, no going back and fixing something. That's just new narrative. So I think I'm going to do it. I'm pretty excited. And I think also it was strangely uber cathartic. And I hate to say it, but it felt like you're being seen by somebody who knows you really well. And I guess now that I put in about 30,000 words of prompts into Chat for my creative processes, it's getting to know me pretty well. And what shall we get at the free library? Let's go peek real quick. Madeleine Albright. That's a page turner. Frankenstein, all right. Huh. Who knows? Maybe one day my book will be in this situation.